Hi, this is Chidi Top. This is Chidi Kalu on this platform. You are watching Chidi's Top. The program, the platform is Chidi Top. And probably you're watching us online via WhatsApp. You're watching us on all social media platforms, whether Instagram or Facebook, or you're probably watching us on YouTube. We are taking over the world. We are taking over the space. Why? Because we need people to be motivated. We need people to be inspired to take what belongs to them. Today, I'm going on Chidi's Talk. Whatever we discuss on Chidi's Talk is on personal level. How to take advantage of your own personal economy, how to beautify your life with success. That's what we're going to be talking about on this platform. Today, I'll be ranting again. I always rant, and I like to rant. I will rant again. I don't give a damn what anybody thinks or what anybody will say. But you know what? I'm going to be ranting something that I will say. People have been taught something. I just took it this morning, and it just came to my head. But I think I saw a message from somebody. He says, start what you can finish. Somebody said, telling him, he's advising his son, you know what, start what you can finish. He's advising the children, start what you can finish. He's advising his neighbor, he's advising everybody around him, start what you can finish. I think it's a very wrong advice to give to anybody. It is wrong to tell anybody to start what they can finish. It is wrong to tell anybody, you know what, chew what you can bite. I like to bite big things. I like to bite things that will fill my mouth. It is a wrong advice for anybody to tell you start what you can finish. I rather prefer start what you cannot finish. Go for the big things. Go for the big things. So today's hashtag is what? Go for big things. Go for big things. Don't just settle for crumbs. Go for big things. Don't just settle down and expect that life will dish you, that you accept what life will dish you on a daily basis. Go for big things. Don't do what the average people are doing, because the average people are settling for crumbs. Go for big things. Don't just do what everybody is doing. What do you not do? You go for big things. The reason why people remain the way they are is because they are not doing the things that they need to do. They are not doing things that is bigger than them. Don't just settle for you alone. Don't look at you and say, how can I be achieved? Will I be the one who should achieve greatness in life? No. What you should rather focus on, because the people who are going to achieve success in their life, what are they? They don't have two heads. Go for big things. And I told somebody something. I said, your mates are not going to ShopRite. Stop going to ShopRite, guys. Stop going to ShopRite. You say you want to hang out and you are going to hang out in ShopRite. Start doing what? Start going where your mates are going. Start going where your mates are going. Where are your mates going? The billionaires you want to become. Where are they hanging out? They are hanging out in Radisson Blu. They are hanging out in Transcorp Hilton Hotel. They are hanging out in a rental hotel. Why? Because your mind is primitive. You are settling for small things. That is why you don't seem to achieve. You are not achieving greatness in your life. Somebody is telling you, go for what you can chew. Bite what you can chew. Don't just bite what you can chew. Bite what you can chew. Or you cannot chew, that when other people start seeing you chewing those things, what do? They'll come and join you to chew them. Don't just go for what you can finish. Go for something that you cannot finish, that will make every other person who sees you come to join you to help you. There's a biblical story of a man called Peter that Jesus Christ helped in the scripture, in Bible, and told him, go to a particular place and cast your net into the sea. He went, he caught fish. He did not just catch any kind of fish. He caught fish that was already making his boat to sink. He had to beckon on other people to come and help him. I want to advise you today, don't just go for what everybody is going for. Go for big things. Go for the big fish. Go for the big opportunity. Don't just settle for crumbs. Somebody said, okay, you know what, you need to start more. I won't tell you to start small, I'll tell you to start big. Yes, you can start from wherever you are, but you can do that with the bigness. Seeing a big picture. Going for the big client. You don't need to wait for the client to come in. Start going for the big client. You say, no, I don't look presentable. Who tells you that? I don't look good. I am not there yet. Who tells you that? What you should start focusing on is the focus on the big things. Focus on the big things. Start going for the big contracts. Start going for the big deal. You don't need to have all the money to go for the big deal. What you need to start going for is to start, just get started. Start making billionaires' decision, the decision of a billionaire. Stop settling for crumbs. A lot of people are settling for crumbs. They're settling like, you know what? We have the masses of Nigeria. So you are the masses of Nigeria. What happens to you? You are economists. You are not taking advantage of big opportunity that is coming your way on a daily basis. So you are, oh, I'm one of the masses. I'm helpless. I'm like, oh, I'm one of the IDPs. I'm this one. I'm all of that. That is why you are not making progress. For you to make progress in this economy, in this life, what you must focus on is that you must start doing the big things. Start going for the big things. Start going for the big things. You are not at an advantage when you start biting what you can chew, or when you start what you can finish. Let me tell you this: anybody who have ever advised you to start what you can finish is not doing you good. That person is not advising you enough. I rather prefer that you do. Let me tell you this. I told myself that I want to go for 350,000 apartments within the next 4 years. I've never seen anybody achieve that in this world. I've never seen anybody achieve that in this life. But you know what? I'm not settling for crumbs. I want to go for the big things. I want to go for something that will break the record. Not just break the record, something that makes me scared. That when I wake up in the morning, I'm scared. But you know what? And fear is good when you are setting up a goal. So if, for example, you have a goal in mind and it is not scaring you enough, it has not scared you, it has not scared your wife, it has not scared your people, you have shared it with people and everybody just needs to take it as a normal thing, you are not going for the big thing. You're just settling for like the average person. You're just like the conventional person. You're just like the conventional people on the street. What you need to do, start doing, is to start going for the big things. Start going where your money is. Where is your money? Your money probably may not be in ShopRite. You want to sell a particular product. You think that, okay, let me just go out and just do what conventional people are doing by sharing handbills on the street. Now, where are your customers? Start looking out for where the customers are and start going there. That's where it is. Where are your big customers? Start going there. You may not make a sale. You may not make anything. But you know what? What you have been wanting to do is that you will always expand your mind. Our mind is like an elastic membrane. When you stretch your mind, what happens? It cannot come back to the position where it was before, just like a rubber band. When you stretch a rubber band beyond a particular level, what happens? It is not going to come back to that level. That is the way our mind works. Now, let me tell you this, if you set small goal, you are not going to achieve that small goal. If you set big goal, you are not going to achieve, you may not even achieve that big goal. But you know what you will do? Why not set big goal so that you are not going to achieve that small goal, but you'll be able to achieve that's your small goal, but that's your goal that will be bigger than the small goal. For example, if I want to achieve, if my mind tells me that if I want to achieve, let us say, maybe 3,000 housing scheme within the next 4 years. Do you know what I will do of rental apartment? I'm setting out a goal of 350,000. Do you know why? Because you know what? I may not, if I set it out at 3,000, I may not achieve 3,000. And if I set it out 350,000, I will not achieve 350,000. But you know what I will achieve? I will not achieve anything less than 3,000. I will achieve above 3,000. That is the way our mind works. Why? Because I will start taking actions of 350,000 apartments. I won't just take action for 3,000. I will start taking action for 350,000. Now, the reason why you are going broke on a daily basis is that you are taking the actions of the masses. You are doing what the masses are doing on a daily basis. Why? To blame the government. It is normal to blame government. It is normal, it is average to do what every other person is doing. That is why people are getting broke on a daily basis. That's why people are not making the sale that they need to make. Why? Because it is normal to be average. It is normal and conventional to do what others are doing, to complain, to be bitter, to be broke, to blame other people for your own personal economy. It is normal. But for you to succeed in this life, you must start going for what? The big things, the big things, the big things. Start doing what will make your heart to skip. Start doing what will make the jaw of men to drop. Why? Because you need to start going for the big things. You cannot be a big dude in Nigeria if you are not going for the big things. So what you start doing now, what you need to start focusing on is that who's got your money? Who's got your money? Start going there. Where are they gathered? Start going there right now. Find them and start going there. Who's got your money? Find them and start going wherever they are. Wherever they are. Sometimes somebody says, you know what, I want to take my wife out for dinner, and every time you ShopRite, it's Mr. Biggs and the likes. You know what you should do? Cut the crap, man, and start going to a rental hotel. Start going to Radisson Blue. Start doing what you want to do with your life. Start exploring places with your mind. Because you know what? Our mind, as I said, is like an elastic membrane. No, start focusing on your own economy. Start building your own life. Start building your own economy. Start seizing opportunities on a daily basis. Because you know what? Start going for the big things. I would like you right now, I would like you friends to connect with us right now. I would like you to connect with us right now. We are hosting this program on Saturday. This program will be live on Saturday. It is how to retire rich, investing in exclusive rental property. How do you start collecting rent from a property that is not your own? Are you a criminal? Are you a thief? But you know what? You can learn the process at the rental income class that will be coming up this Saturday. I would like to invite you. There's going to be a strategic section for property investment and how to take advantage of the rental income space in Nigeria. I will be showing you how you're going to do that, how you can even get started with at least 200,000 naira and begin to participate in this kind of economy. That's what I will be showing you tomorrow. I'm the property man. I will be helping you to explore opportunities within that space. I would like you to connect with me. Go to www.afping.com if you want to be a part of the program, or you call us on the number 07000 AFPING, which is 07000 237464. That is the number to call. 07000 237464. That is the number to call if you want to connect with us. Or probably you want to invest with us. You go to middlechase.com. Select some of those properties that you see there that you desire to also enjoy rental income from. Pick one, sign up immediately. As you sign up immediately, make your investment and it starts counting immediately. It's as simple as that. It's very, very simple. So you go to the website, select an investment property, pick one, sign up for that property, send us your details, make that investment, and within the next 12 months you start enjoying rental income of about 30% on a yearly basis. That is what we've been doing. That is how we've been helping people to take advantage of their own economy. So if you want to, you probably want to also subscribe to us, or you probably would like to get this this guide. How maybe you want to get a free guide. I talked about the free guide yesterday. I would like you right now to make a comment, share it to your friends, and you get a free guide on what? On how to survive in a harsh economy. How to survive a harsh economy. I'm going to send that to you right away to your mail. I'm going to send that to you. That will help you to build your own life at any time, any day. So till I come your way again next time, this has been Truly Talk, that's been packaged by AFPIN TV. And what we do is to just keep on sharing information, and how you can make progress. Till I come your way again next time, I'm Chudi Kalu, the real estate coach. Stay rich and free.